Alright guys, and welcome to another market breakdown for the week ahead. I didn't get it done over the weekend, been quite busy. Laptop was packed away, didn't even have time to do the analysis. So I've got into the office early today, done my analysis, and yeah, got some nice ideas on the table for swing trades, and it's only 8:15, so yeah, we've made pretty good time in here. There's nothing that we need to rush to get into, so it's pretty good at the minute. We've got 3 pairs on the watch list. I'm really trying to just, like on swing trading side of things, I'm really trying to not go hunting for the trades. So I'm just scanning through, and I'm only looking at things where I see an impulsive move straight away, liquidity sweeps and stuff like that. I need to see things early as I'm scanning through. Otherwise, I'm just going to skip. I'm not going to start hunting and looking and going crazy. And that's when last year, like I said before, things just got silly, and yeah, I was just looking for trades and it wasn't working. So yeah. So anyway, we have 3 pairs on the watch list: NZD/USD, AUD CAD, and Great British Pound AUD. Starting off on NZD/USD, this is a simple 4-hour swing. Overall, we have come low into, let's just scale out a minute here, it's daily, or is it weekly? I cannot remember. Yeah, weekly, we've come into a weekly demand zone here. We are respecting, obviously, we had this accumulation area here, a very long accumulation here area, a year or 2 years long. So that's long. We've had that manipulation to the downside, and now could we get a distribution back to the upside? I don't know, but we have come into this demand zone. We have respected it pretty well when the last 2/3 weekly candles have been quite bullish. So dropping down to that 4-hour time frame, you can see we have had some liquidity sweep here before getting an impulsive move upside, breaking this lower accumulation stage. So we broke structure to the upside with a very impulsive move. Now I want to see a price pullback down into this demand zone sitting here that lines up perfectly with our Fibonacci, and I, like always, stops at a low, take profits at the high. So that'll be that one. Going into AUD CAD, higher time frame. I won't zoom out because you can see it here. We've had a liquidity sweep. Actually, fuck it, I will. Liquidity sweep based off the 12-hour or daily, so a big low just been swept there, wicked at. And then we have impulsively broke structure to the upside. Yeah, and then I was looking for, if you look back at the last weekly market breakdowns, I was looking for price to pull into this Fibonacci. It hasn't actually pulled in. It's come below the 50%, which is what we want, but it didn't tag into the 71. It's consolidated here. We have wicked down once, but not twice. We've wicked down twice, took out all the liquidity within this area, and then we have impulsively broke this structure, market structure shift. So, yeah, dropping to the 1 hour, we can just see it a bit more clearer. For actually 4-hour, there is a demand zone sitting here. So we have got a demand zone sitting here on the 4-hour. Impulsively broke that structure to the upside. So that's telling me now that price wants to continue to the upside. I want to just simply, once again, come back into that Fibonacci, stops at the low, take profit at the highs, and that'll be that one. And then last but not least is Great British Pound AUD, and this is the same thing. We didn't get an entry on this 4-hour swing here. It did come into the lows, and now it has market structure shifted to the upside. We've had a liquidity sweep internally as well. We are pulling down, and this is exactly the same again. I want to see price just spike down into this region, and then we can target here. And if obviously you want to look for longer targets, you can target this overall 4-hour high here. But this is the trade we are looking at. These are the trades we're looking at. Yeah, that's the market breakdown for the week ahead. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one.